Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the HotWheels Mudrunner series and this is the 67 Jeepster Commando. So let's just unbox and see how it is. So let me try not to damage the card. Okay guys, here it is. Put this aside. And here is a closer look of it. Okay, this looks really nice. As usual, the lights are painting here. Here is a look at the interior. So this interior is not as much detailed as the Unimog which we unboxed earlier. It's the back view. Again, these tires are made of plastic, and this also doesn't have much weight to it. This just feels like a basic Hot Wheels car, and this also doesn't have any suspension or anything like that. Yeah. So here is a closer look one more time. Okay guys, that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. So please consider subscribing. That would help me to put out lot more great content like this. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for supporting and have a great day. Goodbye.